Hi again, this is John, organizer of the Creative Drive. I'm going to show you a little tutorial on the form S-240 that I sent to you in an attachment. This is a form that all artists who are participating in the Creative Drive must fill out and provide to me before you can participate. I am working on a Mac in this demonstration. I'm going to go down here to the left hand corner and bring up Finder where my documents are. I'm going to go into the Finder box, go up to the Creative Drive folder, and then in that folder I'm going to find sales tax. In that sales tax, here's a folder for form S-240, and I have a demo S-240 for this situation. I'm going to double click on it and open it. And this should look very similar to the form that I sent you. I have deleted some of the personal information just because it's a public video. But it should be very similar. The top half is for the event operator, and over here on the left side you can see that it states event operator. And that is me. So part A of that section is event information. I've entered the Creative Drive, I've entered the dates, and the location is St. Croix County, Baldwin and Roberts area. Part B, this area here, is operator information. That is my personal information, as it says here, to be completed by the operator of the temporary event. This is considered a temporary event because it happens just once a year. So I've entered my name, my address, my telephone number, my email. The Wisconsin tax account number is my tax account number. All of the information in this top portion pertains to me as the operator. If you go down to the bottom section, Part C, this is seller information. And it says to be completed by seller and given to event operator on or before the first day of the event. And then it says this is not an application for a Wisconsin tax account. That is a different form. This is just to give information to me that I provide for the state so that they know that you are at this event. In this section, you will put your legal name in line 1. Line 2 is a business name. You probably have a business name if you are filed with Minnesota as a business or Wisconsin as a business. There's also a possibility that you don't have a business name because you do not have you're not filed with other state. This would be your address, your city, state, and zip, your telephone. Here's a business phone if you have a separate one. And then Wisconsin tax account number. This would be the area where your tax account number would be. Now, as explained in video 1, you may not need to have a tax account number. If you have decided not to apply for a tax number, then you obviously wouldn't have one to put in that space. You would leave it blank. Line 7 is Social Security, and they ask for the last 4 digits of your Social Security here. Number 8 is Federal Identification Number, and that is a number that businesses with employees have, so that probably does not pertain to you. Number 9, check one box indicating the type of activity you intend to engage in at this event. The first box is selling taxable merchandise. So if you have a sales tax number, you would click that box. If you don't have a sales tax number, you would come over here to the right, and it says exempt under occasional sales rule, and you would click that. And they would know that that is why you are filing without a tax number on line 6. Then we come down to print your name, the date, and then your signature. The second page are the instructions that you can read through. You could print this form, the form that I sent you. You could print it because I've entered my information on the top, and then you could hand enter the bottom section, section C, seller information. You could hand enter that, and then you could scan it and send it to me, or you could make a hard copy and you could mail it to me. That pretty much concludes this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you might be able to enter the data on the computer without having to go through the print, handwrite, mail, scan, those steps. So I hope you found this interesting and helpful, and please check out the next video. Cheers.